The Sony 85mm f/1.4 GM2 lens is a remarkable piece of engineering that stands out in the world of photography. Let's dive right into its key features. This lens boasts a fast f/1.4 aperture, which not only allows for stunning background blur, but also excels in low-light conditions. The optical design includes advanced elements like aspherical and extra-low dispersion glass, ensuring that images are sharp and free from chromatic aberration. When it comes to build quality, the lens feels robust and premium. It's weather-sealed, making it a reliable choice for outdoor shooting in various conditions. The focus ring is smooth and well-damped, perfect for manual adjustments when you need that extra precision. Now let's talk about autofocus capabilities. The autofocus system is incredibly fast and accurate, thanks to Sony's advanced algorithms. It locks on a subject quickly, making it ideal for portrait photography where capturing expressions is crucial. The lens also features a customizable focus hold button, which adds to its versatility in dynamic shooting environments. In real-world usage, this lens shines in portrait photography, delivering beautiful bokeh and sharp details. It's also great for events, weddings, and even some wildlife photography, where you need that extra reach without sacrificing image quality. Comparing it to its predecessor, the original 85mm f/1.4 GM, the 2 version is noticeably lighter and more compact, making it easier to carry around for long shoots. The improvements in autofocus speed and overall optical performance are significant, making it a worthy upgrade for serious photographers. When looking at competitors, the Canon RF 85mm f/1.2 and the Sigma 85mm f/1.4 art lens are strong contenders. However, the Sony lens holds its ground with superior autofocus performance and a more versatile design, especially for those already invested in the Sony ecosystem. Pricing is reflective of its premium status, typically landing in the higher range for lenses, but considering the performance and build quality, many find it justifiable. As for pros and cons, the pros include exceptional image quality, fast autofocus, and a solid build. The cons? It can be a bit pricey, and some may find it a tad heavy for extended use. Ideal users for this lens are professional photographers who demand high performance, as well as serious enthusiasts looking to elevate their portrait work. In conclusion, the Sony 85mm f/1.4 GM2 lens is a powerhouse that excels in various shooting scenarios. Its combination of optical excellence, build quality, and autofocus capabilities makes it a top choice for anyone serious about photography. The Sony 85mm f/1.4 GM2 lens is a remarkable piece of equipment that truly stands out in the world of photography. Let's dive into some of its advanced features and technical details that make it a favorite among professionals and enthusiasts alike. First, the 11-blade circular aperture design is a game changer. This design not only contributes to a beautifully smooth bokeh, but also ensures that out-of-focus areas are pleasing to the eye. For photographers and videographers, precise aperture control is essential. It allows for creative depth-of-field effects and smooth exposure transitions, which can elevate your work significantly. Now let's talk about focus technologies. The dual XD linear motors enhance autofocus speed and precision, making this lens ideal for fast-paced shooting environments. You'll appreciate the customizable focus hold buttons on the lens barrel, which provide quick access to frequently used settings. This is especially useful when you need to react quickly to changing scenes. The lens elements and coatings are equally impressive. With XA and ED elements, chromatic aberrations are minimized, ensuring sharpness across the frame, even at wide apertures. The fluorine coating on the front element is a practical addition, repelling water, oil, and dust, which makes cleaning a breeze. When comparing the GM2 to its predecessor, the original Sony 85mm f/1.4 GM, you'll notice significant improvements. The GM2 is lighter and more portable, which is a huge plus for those long shooting sessions. Optical performance has also been enhanced, with reduced vignetting and improved sharpness at all apertures. Autofocus is faster and quieter, making it a fantastic choice for both action shots and videography. If you're considering alternatives, the Sigma 85mm f/1.4 DGDN art lens is worth mentioning. While it offers excellent sharpness and bokeh, the build quality and additional features of the GM2 may sway your decision. The GM2 is particularly favored for portrait photography, where it excels at isolating subjects and creating flattering images. It's also a solid choice for event photography, where quick autofocus and low-light performance are critical. And don't overlook its potential for street and lifestyle photography, balancing subject isolation with context beautifully. User feedback has been overwhelmingly positive. Many praise the lens for its outstanding image quality, sharpness, contrast, and color fidelity. The autofocus performance has been highlighted as a significant upgrade, and users appreciate the lightweight design and robust build quality, making it practical for various shooting environments. However, some concerns have been raised about the high price point, which can be a barrier for many photographers. Additionally, the lack of built-in optical stabilization is noted, though this can be mitigated by using a camera body with in-body stabilization. For those looking to maximize the potential of the Sony 85mm f/1.4 GM2, here are a few tips. When shooting portraits, consider using wider apertures like f/1.4 to f/2.8 for that dreamy background effect. Utilize Sony's IAF feature for precise focusing on your subject's eyes, ensuring sharp and compelling portraits. In low-light situations, be mindful of your ISO and shutter speed settings to prevent motion blur while maintaining image quality. The lens performs exceptionally well in natural light, so experiment with different lighting setups for creative effects. For videographers, using manual focus with focus peaking can provide precise control, especially in controlled environments. The D-Click aperture ring feature is another great tool for achieving smooth exposure transitions while filming. While the lens has many strengths, it's not without its limitations. The weight can become a factor during extended handheld shooting sessions, so consider using a tripod or monopod for comfort. Some users may experience lens flare under certain lighting conditions, but using a lens hood or adjusting your shooting angle can help mitigate this. Lastly, minor focus breathing can be observed during video work, but simple workarounds like focus pulls or framing adjustments can maintain consistent composition. In summary, the Sony 85mm f/1.4 GM2 lens is an outstanding choice for those who prioritize optical performance, build quality, and advanced autofocus capabilities. Whether you're a professional photographer or a serious hobbyist, this lens can elevate your work to new heights.